Welcome student to the first lecture of optics. पहला क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. Refractive index of light ray takes place from air to water, water to glass, and again from glass to air. Now, the ray is traveling from air to water, air to water. Then from water, it is going into glass. ये ग्लास है तो वो और भी सिकुड़ जाएगा और जब बाहर निकलेगा इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम ग्लास टू एयर. सो बेसिकली इट इमर्जेस आउट पैरेलल टू द ओरिजिनल रे. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट रिलेशनशिप? ना पहला रिलेशनशिप देखते हैं. ग्लास विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाटर इज इक्वल टू ग्लास with respect to air upon water with respect to air. Is this a correct relationship? The answer is this is a correct relationship. kaise? Now can I say glass with respect to water is velocity of water divided by velocity of glass. water से अगर glass में जा रहा है वो तो velocity of water ऊपर होगा और velocity of glass नीचे होगा. Now I can divide and multiply by c. What is c? Velocity of light in air. अब इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूं मैं c अपॉन वी जी into vw upon c. I can write it down like this. Now c upon vg नीचे and c upon ये नीचे चला जाएगा vw ये इसके नीचे चला जाएगा. So I get ratio of glass with respect to water as c upon vg divided by c upon vw. Now what is c upon vg? We all know refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to c. air to glass जा रहा है. refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to air से water में जा रहा है. So this will be refractive index of glass with respect to air upon refractive index of water with respect to air. So this is a correct relationship. So the answer is A. We'll go to the next question. A light ray of frequency gamma and wavelength lambda enters a liquid of refractive index 3 by 2. The ray travels the liquid with. Now whenever the ray travels from one medium to another medium, the frequency does not change, the wavelength changes. So वेवलेंथ कितने से बदलेगी? कैन आई से रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज इक्वल टू वेवलेंथ इन मीडियम 1 डिवाइडेड बाय वेवलेंथ इन मीडियम 2. तो 1 to 2 अगर जा रहा है तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज वेवलेंथ इन मीडियम 1 डिवाइडेड बाय वेवलेंथ इन मीडियम 2. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स? 3 by 2. It is traveling from one medium where the wavelength is lambda to another medium where the wavelength is lambda by 2, lambda 2 sorry. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? So if it is traveling from one medium to another medium, यहाँ पे wavelength lambda 1 है which is lambda, तो यहाँ पे wavelength कितना होगा? 2 by 3 lambda. तो when it travels from this medium to this medium, the frequency does not change, the wavelength changes to 2 by 3, it reduces. So the answer is D. Frequency remains the same, the wavelength changes to 2 by 3. Light travels an optically denser medium A into optically rarer medium B with speed दिया हुआ है. Critical angle. Now, third, critical angle का formula है refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer medium is 1 upon sin IC. So sin IC is equal to 1 upon refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer medium. Now refractive index of denser medium is equal to velocity of rarer to denser. Now velocity of rarer medium divided by velocity in denser medium. This is the refractive index of the denser medium. तो ऑप्टिकली डेंसर मीडियम की वेलोसिटी है 1.8 into 10 raised to 8. ऑप्टिकली रेरर मीडियम की वेलोसिटी है 2.7 into 10 raised to 8. ये कितना आएगा? 3 9 3 ज़ा 9 2s are, so it is 3 by 2. अब sin IC is equal to, critical angle is equal to this, ये ग्लास का क्रिटिकल एंगल है क्योंकि IC विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 42 डिग्रीज होगा ये. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ, कोई जरूरत नहीं, साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 2/3. आगे बढ़ते हुए, फोर्थ, द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ लाइट इन अ मटेरियल इज गिवन, वेवलेंथ इज गिवन. फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया हुआ है, frequency of the light is 2 into 10 raised to 14 and its wavelength in the medium is 5000 angstrom, which is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 मीटर. कन्वर्ट किया उसको मीटर में. पूछा क्या गया? RI in the second medium with respect to air. So light is traveling from air to this medium. Refractive index of this medium is asked with respect to air. कैसे निकालेंगे? वेवलेंथ इन एयर डिवाइडेड बाय वेवलेंथ इन द मीडियम. एयर टू मीडियम जा रहा है ना, तो वेवलेंथ इन एयर डिवाइडेड बाय वेवलेंथ इन मीडियम इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. वेवलेंथ इन एयर कैसे निकालेंगे? v is equal to n lambda. Velocity in air is equal to lambda into n into lambda a. Velocity in air कितना होता है? c. फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है? तो वेवलेंथ कितना आएगा? इतनी वेवलेंथ आ गई उसकी. तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Ri of the medium is equal to wavelength in air divided by three is the answer. Refractive index of water is 1.33. What is the speed of light in water? Very simple. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम लोग. Refractive index of water with respect to air is 1.33, which is 4/3. 1.33 can be written in fraction like this. So can I say this is equal to velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in water? So 4/3 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. This is the velocity. Time taken by sunlight to pass through a window of thickness 4 mm whose refractive index is 3/2. Refractive index of that medium or that glassy है वो, is 3/2 I guess. अभी इसकी थिकनेस कितनी है ग्लास की? 4 mm. कितना समय लगेगा इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए? टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड इन द ग्लास. स्पीड इन द ग्लास नहीं पता है, लेकिन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स पता है. स्पीड, refractive index of glass is equal to c upon vg. So vg is equal to c upon ng. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.5, it is 2 into 10 raised to 8. So time is equal to distance upon इतने सेकेंड्स लगेंगे. C option. A beam of monochromatic light is refracted from vacuum to a medium of refractive index 1.5. The wavelength of the light will reduce because refractive index is equal to wavelength in air divided by wavelength in medium, because the refractive index is higher than 1, wavelength in the medium will reduce. 8 question. Green light. Green light of wavelength 5460 Armstrong, which is 5.460 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. दोनों भी यूज कर सकते हो. If it is going to a glass which has got refractive index of 1.5, what is the wavelength in glass? This is the wavelength in air. So wavelength in air upon wavelength in glass is equal to refractive index. So 1.5 is equal to, इसको Armstrong में ही रखते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आंसर Armstrong में है. This is the wavelength in glass. When ray of light enters from air into air from glass slab, it is traveling from, enters air from a glass slab. Air, glass slab से air में आ रहा है. So it is traveling from a denser medium to a rarer medium. तो उसका speed बढ़ेगा और उसकी wavelength भी बढ़ेगी. Wavelength will increase if it is entering into air from glass. Denser to rarer speed बढ़ता है और wavelength भी बढ़ती है. Which of the following has got maximum refractive index? Diamond. When a ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, its velocity decreases. 12th, wavelength of wave in vacuum is 5700. Okay, ये वही question है. Wavelength of light in vacuum or air is 5700 Armstrong. Its wavelength in a medium which has got refractive index of 3/2. Glass ही है. कैसे निकालेंगे? Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 is wavelength in one medium divided by wavelength in second, 3/2. (38 Armstrong is the answer. So C is the answer. मुझे लगता है इसके साथ सारे क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग और भी एमसीक्यूज करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.